Dolomites 3D, where cultural heritage meets the digital revolution. Hello, I am the virtual assistant of the project creator who is currently creating new characters. Let me tell you about this extraordinary project. Welcome to Dolomites 3D, a showcase of my personal project born from a curiosity about the uniqueness of the ancient cultural figures of the Dolomites and a desire to explore the frontiers of digital innovation. My challenge is to breathe new life into the centuries-old legends that resonate among the majestic Dolomite peaks. In Dolomites 3D, I embark on a creative journey to recreate the fascinating stories of our territory through the art of design and three-dimensional modeling. Each legendary character takes shape thanks to a meticulous process that I personally oversee at every stage, from in-depth research of ancient narratives to 3D design and modeling, to printing with advanced technologies and artisanal painting that enhances every detail. The result is an exclusive collection of unique models that embody the magic of the Dolomites and are ready to find a place in your homes. But innovation doesn't stop at the physical aspect. Each creation of Dolomites 3D is enriched by a unique interactive digital passport. This digital certificate, exclusive to each statuette I produce, will allow you to immerse yourself in the history of the legend it is inspired by, to discover the secrets of the creation process, and thanks to the integration of interactive technologies accessible via smartphone, to live a unique experience with each statuette. Stay tuned to discover the first legends that will come to life in 3D and get ready to collect a unique piece of the cultural heritage of the Dolomites, reinterpreted through my dedication and the power of the digital revolution.